Hey, good morning, guys. This is Jeffrey with ForeverITrade. It is February 26, 2024, 3 minutes before the market opens. We're looking at a tick chart, 2000 tick chart. We're going to look at the micros, though. Let's see what the micros are doing. And yeah, guys, so let's look at the market. Let's see what kind of signal it's giving us. And yeah, let's trade. Let's see what we can capitalize on today. And yeah, let's do it. Let me know what you guys are trading. If you guys like this video, I still post. I wish I could post every day, but life doesn't give me that luxury. But soon we posting maybe 1 or 2 a day, morning and afternoon sessions. And then we'll have the ForeverITrade community that will be free, and you guys can just jump on every day and see what kind of nuggets you guys can pull. But let's trade today. Let's see what we got, and let's do it. I know the market isn't open yet, but I went ahead and pulled the trigger on this setup here. We got a hammer-like pin bar, and it's pushing off this 50 area, and I want to see if we can get maybe a quick little flush up. But let's see. We got one contract on the micros, so we're going for it's a few ticks. 10 ticks, $20. The market is not open yet. It will be open soon, so I'm careful. I got my stop in, and let's see if it wants to push up. I like to push. I want myself to go negative, so we'll put at least at break even, and we'll see if we can capitalize on the first trade of the day, even before the market opens. Let's see. All right, first trade successful, guys. As it's probably gonna keep jumping up, but I don't want to chase the market. This is a nice green bar here, which maybe catching it down here would be a good idea, if that's what it wants to do. Let's see. Oh, nice push. Yeah, I missed that. I missed that plug. That is definitely my fault. And I actually got in a little too late on this one, but let's see if it's gonna work. Oh, 2 trades done already? It's been a couple minutes. All right. Well, I did have a 2 trade limit, as this thing could possibly still go, but just don't know yet. So let's just see. All right, we got a red bar. Oh man, this is taking out everybody. Anybody looking to chase? If you are, good. If you're not, this is probably a nice setup here. Still got one contract in play. I like the form. We're gonna go ahead and let's see. Okay, we got a little hammer. I mean, a little inverted bar here, but it can still. I'm thinking it can still skyrocket through that. So let's see if it still wants to do that. 3 trades in, guys. I'm not gonna let this take me out. All right, there we go. So I broke even on that. That was faster than I thought. But I think I'm at my trade limit for the day, guys. So we'll hang tight, let the market play out. The cool thing is we can always go to sim. You'll know if it says this wonderful name right here, or if it says one of these sim accounts. All right, so you can always sim trade an account just to see if your setup was correct, but you don't want to chase it. Right now, not bad, $35 on the live account, so not bad. I may stop for the day. So hang tight, guys. Let's see what else comes up. Kind of like what this is about to do. I'm a little late on that entry. I do like it, but I'm late, so I can't pull the trigger just yet. Yes, it definitely was a nice push. All right, be careful, guys. Make sure you have your stops in if you are trading this. I'm sure most of you guys thought this was going to jump up, and whew, here we go. It's failing time. Caught a nice short here off of this bar. I don't know if it's going to hit or not, but I don't want it to. Let's see. Oh, it took me out. Okay. All right. So, ooh, nice jump. Gotta be careful though. I'd like it off of the hammer. I do. I like it off the hammer. I'd love for it to pipe up to this area here. You just don't know. Gotta be careful. I'm a little late on the entry. There we go. A little late on the entry on that one. So I took a couple of unwanted trades that I shouldn't have taken. So now I'm down to 1290, which I don't want to revenge trade, even though I see my setup happening. But I'm going to be careful. It's moving pretty fast too. Yeah, like it just wants to shoot down. Let's have to 50. I like the 50. I really do. I like how the 50 moves. I like how it punches off to 50 pretty strong because it's a longer time frame. But let's see if nope, no reward today. Yeah, no reward today, guys. But you can always get back in the trade, right? We know that for sure. You can always get back in the trade. We know that. I'm gonna adjust our stop too much. Oh. All right. Well, those are a couple of bad trades that I've taken. I almost like this one here. So let's see where it wants to go. I like the push. Let's see where it's gonna. Okay, I like the push. Let's see if it wants to continue going up. This is one of my setups here up to 50. I got in a little prematurely down here, but I do like the setup. Oh, that took me out. So now we're down. All right, 23 bucks. All right. So maybe just wait for some more action going on. Overtraded, was up, now I'm down. So let's see what else is coming up. Looking for a play here, maybe on off of this this resistance area. But I'm actually looking maybe for a long play. Cause look how strong this this candlestick went through. Put myself at break even. Okay, all right, but it was a nice play here. Close above the 20. This close above the 20. I don't want to play it now. This could be a nice short here, though. Exit will be above here, but it doesn't look like. Let's see what it wants to do. If it wants to fail, I'm gonna give it a failure shot. Let's see if he wants to drop back down to this area. But I'm gonna give him a failure shot. Exit above here. And let's see if he wants to continue to drop down and show some love for the resistance, for the bears. Let's see. That's beautiful. Nice little drop. Yeah, that's a nice play. Man, that's a nice play, guys. Ooh wee. Okay, that wasn't forgiving. I think he's still gonna drop. If you do think he's going to drop, where do you think he's going? Acting a little sketchy, guys, so I may pull the plug on this one. So what I'm going to do is drag this down here to here. And let's see if how far I want to drop. I'm already in profit. So let's see where he wants to go. If he wants to continue down, a few red bars there, a couple red bars, overtaking these couple green bars. So let's see if the red wants to continue dropping. And we can probably make this the last trade of the day, guys, for the morning. And we're able to stop before 10 o'clock, which is not bad. So it's moving pretty quickly, so I don't want to pause this one. So let's see where it's going. Man, I'm happy we're taking 16. We'll get out. Yeah, we'll get out. This may be another move right here. I want to see where this is going to close. Or how far it wants to come down. I like it comes here, but let's see. Let's see what it's going to close as. Man, today was definitely a boxing match. So now it's ranging now. So it's no point of, unless you're going to, it's just short opportunities. But this range right here, if you ask me, came down, right? It didn't come back up, make a new high. So we can even bring this down a little bit. Well, yeah, we could use this. Didn't come down, make a new high. Now it's breaking this little level here. So now all we want to see is where does it want to go next? All right, does anybody want to short this? Does anybody want to wait until it breaks these boxes? Break the box. Kind of hard to tell, right? But you know this is a small support area. So if you are taking a chance and trading this long, got to be careful. You just got to have your exit, right? What I would do, I'll wait for some type of confirmation on it, unless you're buying a bounce off of it as soon as it come down and you have your order here, you got your stop, which is actually not a bad idea. It's not a terrible trade. It is down on support, right? So it's not a terrible trade, but you just got to have your stop because it could go against you, right? Like it did me, but it wasn't a bad trade. I did that live, guys, so, you know, something I would have done recording or not recording. But, you know, let's see where this actually ends up at the end of the day. Let's see. I like this. I'm not going to lie. I like this almost bullish area here. Oh, this candlestick. Gave me a little energy to want to go in on that one. And now we want to see where this wants to go. Even if it touches moving average, I'm pretty solid. I'm pretty solid if it, okay, all right. Touched it, didn't hit my spot. That's how it goes, but still not a terrible trade. Not a terrible trade. Hit the moving average. Anybody willing to play this one again up? You know, anybody willing to play the game of trading and see if it will hit your, come up and will hit your take profit again? Let's see. Maybe not, maybe so, but I got my exit. I know where I'm getting out. I know where I'm getting in. So I'm playing this how I would play any other trade. There we go. All right. So still not bad. Still up $32. All right. Anybody's playing this? It's about to be 10 o'clock, so be careful. Where you going? Let's see where you going, Mr. NASDAQ. Anybody gonna take the breakout? If you break this box, you got the previous low. You got a previous close here, so it could bounce back up. As you can see, all right, still in the uptrend if you ask me. I like this uptrend battle that's hopefully it's about to occur. And let's see where it wants to go. I got a little late. Yeah, I got a little late on that trade. I do like the trade though. I do like the trade. I like the trade. Let's see how high it wants to go off of this support area. But I do like the trade, guys. Let's see if it's worth the wait. Is it worth the wait up to the support area? Let's see. Let's see. Got a little green in the picture, a little green action, as you can see. So let's see where it wants to go. Loving the movement. Loving the movement, guys. Think we can break above this area here? Let's see. Let's see if it's powerful enough, guys. Who's trading it? Anybody traded this? Anybody saw opportunity in this little push up here? I do like the jump. I do like the jump. It is above the 20. It is above the 20, guys. Let's get out. Let's give it. The 50 is here, and I'm one to think it's gonna push through that 50. I'm just not sure. So I'm gonna get out, and we'll leave with dignity of $40 today, guys. Man, this felt like a boxing match when you're scalping futures, guys. And I'm so glad I got out. So glad I got out of this one. Because guess what? It's still in this box. It's still in this little range area. Right? So if you would have bought it down here, nice. Right? And I want to say we still got this little area to punch through maybe. But it's not even a good support. I mean, you got it right here. It broke through. It could come back up and hold it. So anybody willing to take that trade if this goes in the direction? Anybody willing to take it? Let's see. Man, it looks like we just want to go down, right? I mean, I don't know what else to say about this one. It looked like we are headed downward and with no looking back. But we'll see. We're still in this little box area, this little zone. So let's see if it's going to come out of there running up or running down. Okay, nice push. Looks like it wants to go up. Nice push. Man, you got almost. It's almost inevitable. Usually I don't take these breakouts, but man, it's almost inevitable. I might as well take it and let it push up to the top. And I want to stay in green, so that's what I'm going to do. You You want to keep going? Now, come on, give me break even. No matter what I get out of here. What are you, 15? Let's get out. Let's get out. $32. It's probably going to keep going. I want to sim it, but we are at the resistance level here. So you are gambling. Not gambling. If you have your exit, you're not gambling because you know when to get out. But I got out perfect timing. It hit this zone. Time for me to go. And look what it did. All you guys who didn't have your stops in, it's showing you now that who's in charge. I want to short this, guys. I'm thinking I'm going against the grain because I'm going against the moving averages, but the resistance level looks so strong that maybe I can squeeze a couple dollars out. I don't know, but I got my exit, which is super important. So I'm going to see if that momentum pushed up was actually super strong or if this resistance is a little stronger. All right, we'll go ahead and at least limit my loss a little bit more. All right, come on, NASDAQ. Come on, you gave me a green bar, so I'm gonna respect it. I'm gonna hold it though. I might have $4 loss on this one, so let's hold it. Let's see if it's gonna. Nope, no reward on this one. All right, so it's breaking out. Maybe breaking out. Maybe. I want to see what it's gonna do after this candlestick. What is it gonna do after this candlestick, guys? Let's see. It's gonna break through this, or you're gonna wait for a retest. It didn't break it. It did now. So if you respect the breakout, which is a 60% chance, you can feel comfortable taking that trade. Anybody feel comfortable taking that trade? Anybody holding? Anybody holding? Who's holding? Who's holding for the NASDAQ to keep running? Let's get in. Let's get in break even. I know that sucks right now because I could have got a little more dollars on that one. But yeah, we're gonna hold off. So that was some fast trading, guys. We done. Man, what a 30-minute run. So I hope you guys have fun with me, man. And you know, we're gonna keep posting these videos. These are live trades, sim trades, doesn't matter. We're gonna post it. And we just saw some opportunities that we took. We saw the box, we saw the range, we saw the little levels here that could have been a good support area. We bought in off that. We have these candlesticks that are still jumping, but be careful, right? Even though you're at resistance, I mean, you're above the box area. You know, it still can fall into it. It didn't really break out. So just be careful. All right, guys, trade what you see. Use your eyeballs. Man, leave a comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. If I suck in trading, if I did well in trading, doesn't matter. Leave a comment. I'm happy to hear it. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. ForeverITrade.